Hello, my name is Cesar Fernandez. I am a medical doctor and surgeon with a specialty in clinical nutrition and stem cells, specifically in research and storage for more than 25 years. I want to tell you that there's a question that always seems to be floating around. That question is it possible to control inflammation with an anti-inflammatory diet? And can this actually help? To lower inflammatory markers, such as CRP, which is known as C-reactive protein, it's a question that's always out there in the medical world. Today, I'm going to answer you by explaining that following a healthy anti-inflammatory diet does indeed help reduce chronic inflammation and that specific protein marker. C-reactive protein. This is a marker that indicates systemic inflammation, and it can be measured, it can be monitored, it can be tracked. And this nutritional approach really works through several key mechanisms. The first is blocking inflammatory substances. Essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are commonly found in salmon, sardines, and walnuts, specifically work to reduce the overall production of harmful inflammatory cytokines. There is also the powerful antioxidant action of this specific anti-inflammatory diet. Take polyphenols, for example. Some of the very richest natural sources available are curcumin and various flavonoids, which we can easily find in fresh blueberries and many other brightly colored, nutritious vegetables. And all of these dietary changes directly help to lower your CRP levels significantly. Now, increasing your daily fiber intake would be another essential nutritional element that greatly helps your body, because consistently consuming high amounts of fiber through various whole grains, legumes, and pulses is very strongly linked to much lower inflammation levels. This is primarily due to the way fiber provides vital support for the healthy bacteria living within your gut microbiota, which promotes a balanced immune response throughout your entire system. So all of these different components and elements working in conjunction with what we commonly refer to as triggers, let's just call them triggers for now, to which we must pay very close attention. They have a powerful and strong effect. A significant trigger effect, such as highly refined sugars, saturated fats, trans fats, and various ultra-processed food products. If we can successfully find a way to remove every single one of these harmful items from our daily diet, break time equals 0.5s / it effectively prevents those sudden, dangerous spikes in those inflammatory markers we've been talking about. Now, the balance in the microbiota that I just mentioned to you, this process is also supported not just by things like prebiotic fibers, but also by various fermented foods, such as yogurt or kefir, for example. Sourdough bread, which is made with probiotics, helps balance the gut flora, eliminate what we call dysbiosis, and brings us into a balance of the intestinal microbiota. And this leads to a reduction of inflammation starting from the digestive system. Just imagine, we're covering all the bases. So consistently adopting dietary models like the Mediterranean diet, for example, has actually proven to be one of the safest and most effective natural ways within the field of anti-inflammatory nutrition to significantly lower all of these specific biomarkers. And I'll finish with this. There are 5 fundamental keys for health and overall well-being. All of them are encompassed under a healthy lifestyle. Number 1, anti-inflammatory nutrition, which I just mentioned to you. Number 2, regular exercise. Number 3, good restorative sleep. Number 4, effectively managing your emotional health and stress. And number 5, and certainly not least of all, scientifically proven nutritional supplementation. And that right there is where I want to wrap up today's topic about the most powerful polyphenol in nature, micellar nanocurcumin bombs, thanks to its great absorption. And because this process ensures and maximizes its overall therapeutic effectiveness, break time equals 0.5s / and its availability within the bloodstream. And the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant among nutritional supplements. If you add vitamin D3, prebiotics and probiotics to support your gut microbiota, and omega-3s to this, You now have all the fundamental and essential building blocks for a healthy, anti-inflammatory way of living, which will help you to effectively lower that specific inflammatory marker in your system. Elevated C-reactive protein. And let me close with this phrase: inflammation, which is the silent killer, and high CRP. They're not your destiny, they're your decision. Thank you very much.